Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're taking a look at the newly rebranded Lilly Pulitzer summer collection. Now I am a really big Lilly fan, always have been, and was so surprised to see that they're rebranding their signature print. Would love to hear what you think in the comments below about the overall rebrand. Overall, I am seeing some more muted colors, less hot pink items, less loud prints, and kind of less bright pastel colors as well. Now you are taking a look at the shift in the tag. The tag used to be this hot pink vibrant tag, and now we have a kind of white, what I think is like a surfer inspired logo and tag. So we're going to take a look at a variety of items today: a cute little shift dress, a monochrome very hot red, which is a very trending summer color dress that is very thin and buttery. We are also going to look at a classic Lilly print in this new Lilly world. This is a very similar item to an item that we picked up earlier in the spring collection, just different colorway. And we're also going to see a cute little baby crop tee, this lovely vibrant blue, as well as what I think is Barbie's signature golf look. We also grabbed a shirt version of the red dress, which I don't have shown here, but it was a really great pickup, so we'll definitely take a look at that one as well. As always, I am showing you all of the tags and sizes that I tried on, so that can hopefully help your purchasing decision. Alright, so first I tried on this cute little shifts dress. I really liked the nautical ropes and the empty space at the top. However, after I thought about it and I tried on a lot of the other items, I felt like it was a little busy. I did really like that it came with shorts, but that you could also not wear it with shorts in case, you know, you're not going to play tennis. So that was a perk. Then I tried on this really solid hot red dress. I loved this color, but I personally didn't really like the fit. Now I did get a lot of compliments when I stepped out of the dressing room, but I felt like it kind of over accentuated normal body features and just wasn't smoothing. Next, I tried on this new updated Lilly dress with the front knot. This one does not have shorts in it, which I do feel like I need to point out because there was a dress similar to this with cap sleeves that was released in the spring collection that did come with shorts. So I actually like it better without the shorts, and I overall really liked this one. I also thought it was a good price point. I definitely think this is a nice one for work from home or just to fun and wear for running errands. Okay, next up we have Barbie's literal golf outfit. Now, I first saw the jacket in the window of Lilly and I knew I had to try it on. It honestly is a very lightweight, waffly type of material. I wasn't a huge fan of the skirt. It was kind of big at the waist, but if I was a more frequent golfer, I would have definitely taken this one home. Next up, we have this cute little standard tee. It is ribbed, it is stretchy, it is a beautiful, vibrant, but not too vibrant blue, and overall, we were definitely here for it. It was very stretchy, so I would suggest sizing down in this one. Okay, next up we have this cute little red top. Now I mentioned I loved the dress, but I wasn't a huge fan of the fit. I found it in the top version, and while I was a little disappointed that it was razorback, I was totally here for this color. If you made it this far, be sure to drop a heart or an emoji in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe.